Hey friends, and welcome back to another Temu haul. Actually the first Temu haul of June over here on this channel. You never heard of Temu? Well, first, before I get into it, yes, I'm still in my PJs, okay? Your girl's been up since 4:30 or 4:24. That's important, okay? We're not gonna say 4:30 because that would have given me 6 minutes. So if I seem off and I seem a little bit slower than normal, it's because your girl's exhausted. My husband had a dream that our cat was crying, and being the good man that he is, he jumped out of bed as fast as he could to go check on her. She was in fact fine, snoozing somewhere, but it woke me up, and my body is wackadoodle, so as soon as I'm woken out of like any amount of sleep, instant brain wish it stayed all day long, but it does not. So if I'm off and slower than normal, no amount of coffee and caffeine is going to help this. It's going to just be time for bed. But anyways, we are back with another Temu haul. Temu is an app that you can download. I've had a lot of you guys in my comment section saying, Rhonda, we're trying to use your coupon codes that you have, but it's not working. What are we doing wrong? I reached out to Temu, and I've been trying to talk about it on any video that I film. I reached out and I asked, how are we supposed to use that coupon? Because it's supposed to be for new and existing customers that have downloaded the app. So they said just download the app or go to the app and to the search bar in the app. So for example, when I pull up my Temu app, right now we got the June Jamboree going on, up to 80% off, but up there in that little search bar right here, yeah, that's where you're going to plug in and search for the coupon code that's going to give you however much they put down there in our description box, because they did let me pick these items out for today's video. But when it comes to Temu, they have lightning deals and flash sales, and currently the June Jamboree up to 80% off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have all the current prices pinned post in my comment section, as well as in my description box, with the special coupon code and the special link to download the app. And they've started giving us like special little dealios. So for example, that body mist that I've been freaking geeking over, I don't know if the deal is still going on. It's going to be a surprise one, but they were giving us that body spray for a freaking $1. I know. When it comes to Temu, you're also going to get free shipping, free returns, and free price adjustments. This one I'm really excited about because they sent over a gift surprise. It's an all-in-one professional makeup, and it's a gift surprise. So I thought it would be fun to unbox over here. And you know, I got some fun makeup in my Hotmess in the House Temu unboxing. Oh, this is so freaking cute. It's literally like a surprise goodie box. Check that out. So this is an eyeshadow palette. It's in like one of those old school coastal scent plastic cases, or like the Morphe. Oh my gosh, it's literally like a mini version of the coastal scents. It's a double flippin' layer. It is a triple flippin' layer. Wow. Okay, so you've got your neutrals, you've got your rainbows, and then we've got like the pastel, rainbow, and neutrals. How fun is that? Oh my gosh, this is taking me back to like 2016 makeup. That is fun. And the brand is called Pop Feel Eyeshadow. I've never heard of them before. All right, next in here, we've got the little beauty sponges. Now, Jody, I know, has gotten the beauty sponges from here before, and I think she said she really liked them. So this is like a little set of 4. Each one is different as far as, no, you got 2 different shapes. 4 different colors. But this is cute because it's like a little egg carton. It's like travel friendly. I don't know if I'll like those. I'll have to like get them wet and try and see how I like them. They kind of feel like they'll make that pump 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 noise as you're using them. All right, next in here we've got a little 3-pack of their lipsticks. So let's check out these colors. Ooh, okay, this is what the component looks like. Oh wow, look at that shade. Honestly, it's kind of fun. It reminds me of one of those shades that Kathleen Lights did with, I think it was ColourPop in one of her collabs. Oh, this is dark. That's a little on the scary side. I like this one. I mean, this isn't my favorite color, but this is definitely one out of the 3 that I would definitely wear. All right, so it looks like it is actually a little bundle of brushes. You get face and, oh, like a little kabuki and eyes. So you got face and eye brushes. I like that. I like these little kabuki brushes. I feel like if you like sunless tan, this reminds me of Bare Mineral days. You remember back when those were, that was huge, that powder, and then you tapped it and then you swirled all over your face. But you do, you've got eyes, you've got face, you've got foundation, powder, everything. We've got like a pack of, I'm assuming these are like glosses. No, they're lip cream lipsticks. Bunch of different colors. We've got some hand cream, avocado, and a rose. I wonder if each box is different because it says a gift surprise, so maybe they curate each one different. They even have a foundation in here. Is this like a, it just says perfect liquid foundation. I didn't know if it was like an airbrush. Very sheer. Not much coverage there whatsoever. I don't think I'm gonna even test that one out. I think it would just disappear. We also have Smooth and Blur primer. We've got loose face powder, and we also have some eyelashes. And then we've got liners, mascara, and we even have a lash curler. Another palette. I don't know how much this actually is. It's 15 concealer. Again, it's so giving Coastal Scent vibe. Like literally old school Morphe. Oh, there you go. Huh. Well, that's definitely interesting. I am obsessed with these style bags, guys. If you saw over on my other channel, Hotmess in the House, I was talking about this is my snack bag that I constantly travel with at all times. I love it. The bags that they're kind of, I feel like, inspired by are insanely expensive. I mean, we're talking that snack bag is probably close to $100, but not on Temu. Well, look at how freaking adorable this little weekender bag is. And she is like a good sized duffel bag. This is so precious, and it's lined. Oh my gosh. And it says weekend. That is so cute. You know what I wish it had? I wish it would like attach to my suitcase and I could just slide it over. This is a really good size bag. This would be an excellent carry-on. Comes with a nice strap, but look how nice that is. Isn't that so adorable? Now there's no outside pockets, which I'm fine with, but I really like this. This would make a good pool bag or what have you, because the way this material is, it feels like it would be waterproof. I know one of my kids are gonna snag this. I always keep goodie bags, gift bags, wrapping paper, tissue paper, and I was getting low on my little bags. So they had, this is a pack of 12 colors, 24 pack of different color bags. Because you never know when you're gonna need like to do something. Like for example, when we went to Vegas, our neighbors kept an eye on our house and was getting all of my packages and everything. So as a thank you, I put together like a little goodie bag of like Starbucks coffee and a gift card just to say thank you. So, and these are perfect things to have on hand, and they're a better deal getting them on Temu than running to the dollar store, because we all know the dollar store is not a dollar no more. So I got more of these travel organizers, especially because when my child just went on the trip, they absolutely loved using them. And this one I was excited because I don't have this particular kind, but this is like your shower caddy type of deal. So you can put your shampoos. I got the idea is because when we were organizing my child for the trip, I say my child, she's 18, but I was putting together her shampoos, like everything you need in the bathroom. And I saw on Temu that they had these. I'm like, man, that would have been so much nicer, because we had used one of our travel bag thingies for it where you were supposed to put clothes. So I thought, man, this would be so much nicer. So you got little zipper compartments, plastic see-through compartments, the netting so everything will dry, and it hangs as well and zippers shut, and then you can just carry it. Yeah, on Temu. Now this brand on Temu also makes the packing cubes, and then there's like a little thing back there too. So I got Look at You, landing my mom, and getting me as a bonus. Happy Father's Day. Thanks for putting up with my mom. Just to show you guys like these little things. But yeah, these are the kind of cards that my kids pick out for my husband, but you can get them for any occasion. All of my like kitchen gadget tools, I typically would run before to like the dollar store and get them, but I don't anymore. Like, why? I can save my gas and pick them out on Temu, and they work just as well. So I got a potato skin peeler, whatever that's called. And then I got more of these little tongs. They came in different colors, but you know me and my love of like pink. So yeah, get your kitchen gadgets at Temu. Works just as well. All right, this I got because I told you guys, you guys told me there's a hot mess section, and I thought this would be cool to put on my car. It says all aboard the Hot Mess Express. I picked that up. Thank you guys for letting me know about it. I got a hat and I got a t-shirt, and now I got a little decal for my car. You guys are always like, Rhonda, you're always like influencing us on stuff to buy. I'm like, you guys do it to me too, because I also got another one. It says the same thing, but it's a little bit different. But when I say they just go to the search bar, whatever you're looking for, whether it's pink kitchen tools or hot mess, you can just put hot mess up there. Stuff will literally come up. Father's Day, 4th of July, like whatever you got going on, just go to that little search bar where you're gonna put the coupon code. You're gonna find so much stuff. So I also got this to hang up in my car. Isn't that so precious? Hotmess Mom. And it's different colors. I thought it was so cute. So yeah, I just got, wait, was there a string in there and I missed it? There is. So there's a little string that it comes with that you hang it on your mirror or wherever. Or you could even make that like a Christmas ornament, to be honest. This rug, look how cute this little rug is. This would be so cute in a kid's room, a bathroom, a back door, front door, whatever. And it actually has really good grippers on here. How, like, look, it's so nice and plush. You see how thick that is? Honestly, this is like one of the nicest little accent carpets I think I've gotten. I like that. I wish it was a little bit more like powder pink versus like salmon pink. If you guys have Swiffers or whatever they're called to dust with, those things get expensive. Okay, so it's like buy the initial, but then look what I found. I found the refill pack. Yeah. So I actually will keep this and a wand in my car so I can just clean. You know how it gets dusty for no reason in your car? It's gonna fit a Swiffer. So I wish I hadn't just ripped the bag like a monster. I restock on that. You can get the toilet wands. I get my toilet wands there. I get my sponges from Temu. You can get your cleaning supplies. So if you are actually like, you have a cleaning business, maybe think about looking into the cleaning section at Temu, because they literally have, like I said, the toilet bowl circle brushes. They have sponges. They even have reusable paper towels. Like all kinds of that. I don't really know if you want to clean other people's homes with, but you know what I mean. Oh, okay, I needed this. I thought I had knocked out everything we needed for our camper and the kitchen department. But one thing we use all the time here is one of these little like meat mashers. My child makes mashed potatoes all the time and uses this to like mash up the potatoes. Well, I was making taco meat down there at our camper last week, and I had forgotten to pick up one of these. So when you put your ground beef in the pot, instead of sitting here like with a wooden spoon or whatever you use, I typically use one of these, and you literally mash it down and just do this, and it breaks up the ground beef. It is amazing. You can use it for anything. Mashed potatoes, your chicken. You cook chicken in the crock pot. And FYI, less expensive than at the Dollar Tree. You're welcome. I guess I got this from my husband. I mean, they have grilling tools too. I think of everybody when I am on that Temu app, I'm telling you. But it would make sense. I picked out the Father's Day card, and then I probably got this for his Blackstone. But I mean, heck, at this point I feel like it's so durable and heavy duty. I feel like you could put this over a campfire and like just cook off of that. I don't know if you could. That's just my little idea. Man, you could get some big old juicy steaks and hamburgers with that thing. Look how freaking adorable this is. It's so farmhouse vibes. I've got to put the little handle on here. But for your coffee filters, isn't that cute? Now, I honestly thought that this was going to be glass. It's not. It's like a rustic wooden type of container, but it is so adorable. And then it has the little handle that I need to attach to the top of it, but I got that for our camper too. because right now I've kind of just got our coffee filter sitting in a drawer, and I know you got to be a little bit mindful being out, you know, in a campground, so I thought this would be better to put the coffee filters in here. All right, so this I just got once again for the camper. So we've got on our sink, it looks like a farmhouse sink, and then it's got like this rolled out kind of like a wire thing where you can set stuff up to dry, but things fall through. So I got this silicone mat, and I thought, man, this would be so much nicer because it's like a drying mat, so I could prop my plates up here, my silverware and everything, and I don't have to worry about it like falling back through the sink when it's drying, because you know how it is in a camper, you have limited space, countertop. So I got this to go on that little portion of the sink. So the last thing that I got for today's video is something that's pink. Surprise, surprise. Oh, this is cute. I wonder, okay, it is. I thought maybe it was the thing for the car, but this is actually just a really nice umbrella. I'm not gonna open it in the house because they say that's bad, but this is a heavy duty. Like, I feel like I could clobber somebody with this if need be, and it's got this button that makes it like pop out and go up. That's really nice. So, you know, it came in other colors, but y'all know your girl loves this. We love pink around here. And then it's got, of course, the little cute case that I'll probably never be able to get back on it once I actually open this umbrella. It's like a sleeping bag. Who can actually get their sleeping bag back into the bag that it comes in? You ever wonder why they do that? Okay, anyways, I'm hopping off for now. That is everything for today's Temu haul. My PJs are also from Temu, so is my headband and earrings. And like I was telling you guys, make sure to just check the description box down below, because not only is everything going to be linked down there for you guys, but all the current prices. Now keep in mind, they're having the June sale, the flash sale, lightning deals. Every day is a new lightning deal. So like I was telling you guys, things that I have purchased in the past, they have like today only kind of deals. Make sure to get in there and check your account so you can do price adjustments if you can on things that maybe have gone down in price. So make sure to check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma vlogs for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there, a Hot Mess in the house. Of course, Haley and I have a podcast, Unconditional Hot Mess, and you can find me on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma 4. Huge shout out and thank you to Teemu for working with your girl in today's video and letting me pick out all of these goodies. Everything, once again, will be listed and linked down below for you guys. Let me know some ideas of other things you'd like to see me haul in the future. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Bye.